Welcome to P&O Azura. This is a room tour of an aft balcony stateroom, number B757. On deck 11. There is a large space to hang your clothes and a small closet to put all your non-hanging clothes in. Also in the closet there is a safe. There is a small bathroom with a very small shower cubicle, which is just large enough for one person. We are now walking into a nice size room, with a queen bed, a small TV, there are 2 UK plug sockets. As we walk out of the back of the room, we walk out into a nice size balcony. There are 2 reclining chairs and 2 footstools. Thank you for watching our channel. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell.